Welcome to another video of the Bubby Boys TV in our 3D printing section of the channel. So today we're going to be making elf legs for Elf on the Shelf so it can stand up instead of just being in a sat down pose.
Okay, that's perfect for the holiday season.
Yeah.
So these things will allow the elf to stand up. What are they, like shoes?
No, like it's like it gives the elf pants and shoes as displayed on the screen right here.
Okay, pretty cool. So we're gonna run them off, keep them printing, and we'll test it out on an elf. All right, we'll see you guys in a minute. Printer is doing its thing. Elf on the Shelf, here we come. Holiday season. Would you look at that? The shoes are coming together for the elf. And we got it working back there. We're making progress. About 2 hours in the print. Alright, so we have the elf shoes.
That's Aiden printed.
Yep, Aiden print these so it helps the elves that you have for Elf on the Shelf stand up. Alright, man, that's pretty cool. That came out nice. We even got the elf down here. We've been doing some fun Elf on the Shelf this year.
Yeah. So I got this print off of the Bambu Handy app on my phone, and then I decided to put it into my Bambu slicer and recolor it so the shoes are a little bit colored.
Yeah, we got the bumblebees, the black and yellow.
It took 8 hours to print the legs and the shoes, and it all came out in one piece, so I did not have to attach anything.
Alright, cool, man. Alright, so that was a quick, fun, easy print. Elf on the Shelf. We're gonna get an Etsy site up, so by the time y'all see this, you might be able to order some of his prints off of Etsy. Alright, thank you guys for watching.
Stay tuned for next time. Bye.
Alright, let us know what you want to see him print, and we'll see if we can find some stuff. Put it in the comments what you guys would like to see the Bubby Boys print.